Want to know how to make a perfect strawberry shortcake? Well, your curiosity is about to be satisfied. This classic dessert, beloved by many, is surprisingly simple to make. With just a handful of ingredients and a dash of love, you can create a treat that's not only delightful to the eyes but also a feast for the taste buds. Bursting with the freshness and sweetness of strawberries, this homemade shortcake is hard to resist. Today, you will learn how to make this delicious dessert at home, so buckle up as we dive into the world of baking. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. For the perfect strawberry shortcake, you'll need fresh, juicy strawberries, granulated sugar, and rich whipping cream. For the biscuit dough, don't forget to gather your flour, baking powder, and butter. You might also want to have a pinch of salt at hand. These are the simple yet essential ingredients that will bring your homemade strawberry shortcake to life. With all these ingredients ready, you're set to start baking. Now, it's time to get down to business. Let's start making the shortcake. With the ingredients all set, we begin by combining the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Then we cut in the cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. We add the milk, stirring just until the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Next, we turn the dough out onto a floured surface and knead it lightly a few times, just to bring it together. Then we roll it out to about ½ inch thick and cut out our shortcakes with a round biscuit cutter. While the shortcakes are baking in a preheated oven until golden brown, we turn our attention to the strawberries. We halve them, mix them with sugar, and set them aside to draw out the juices. This process, called macerating, really brings out the flavor of the strawberries. Once your shortcake is golden brown and your strawberries have become juicy, you're ready for the final step. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food, Happy Lifestyle. On this channel you will get valuable tips to improve your health for a happy living. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Now comes the fun part, assembling your strawberry shortcake. First, you'll want to split your shortcakes in half. Think of it like opening a book, a delicious shortcake book. Next, you'll layer on those succulent strawberries. Don't be shy, the more, the merrier. Then, slather on a generous layer of whipped cream, like a fluffy cloud on a sunny day. This is where the magic happens. The cream and strawberries mingle, creating a harmony of flavors. Now, crown your masterpiece with the other half of the shortcake. It's a hat, it's a lid, it's the perfect finish to your culinary creation. Give it a gentle press, just to make everything cozy. And there you have it, your perfect strawberry shortcake is ready to be devoured. You will find the recipe of this delicious strawberry shortcake in the video description below. Happy baking! If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, click on one of our next videos right now, which are linked here. If you like our videos, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment with your opinion about this topic. Stay healthy and see you soon.